Hello, good morning. Yeah. My son living to Alfonso not yet home, okay? Never come home today. Usually he come home at 5 a.m., 5:30 a.m. or 6 a.m. Today he never come home. I don't know where he goes. Please listen for the retired man. Okay, this is our family ranch at home block 4, the Verve of Singapore. Mm, May 19, 2026. Okay? We're having a bihon, Chinese bihon, okay? With the, oh, not Chinese bihon, I think it's a Filipino bihon with a twist of, a little of, yeah, um, I put chili, okay? So there's some kind of, it's a Filipino. Okay, chili powder. So, this is our family brunch at home block for the world of Singapore. I prepared for my son, so anytime if he come home, there's something to eat, okay? May 19, 2026. Enjoy, folks, at home block for the world of Singapore. Our family brunch, okay? Brunch, okay? Enjoy, Singapore.